All right, welcome back to Guns from Messy Desk. Alex here at Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. We are going to look at the Smith & Wesson 460 XVR. Now this is the Performance Center. It comes in the white box, right? All right, Performance Center model. Now this is going to be, we're going to clear it, make sure we're all safe here, all right? High-vis front sight does come with an extra backup sight inside the box that I saw. The lock, or the keys for the lock, are also in there. The thing that makes this one kind of cool, we have literally waited a year to be able to get this one. I saw the packing slip myself yesterday, and it took us a year to get one in. So this is the 460 XVR 3.5-inch carry model. Now I don't know who the heck's carrying it. This is their X frame, which is their large frame. It does come with a Hogue grip, unfluted cylinder. This is going to be a handful. If you haven't had an opportunity to check out 460 in person, it's definitely going to be worth your time to do so. Weight, you're at like 50, I think it was 56 or 58 ounces overall. Compare that to like a polymer gun, it's double the weight almost. It's a thick gun. Now they do make a 460 in different barrel lengths. I think there's like an 8-inch or something else out there. Actually, I think we're going to have one of those in very, very soon. But I have not seen the carry model come through very often. This is one you're going to want to check out if you haven't had an opportunity to look at a 460 or a 500 Smith & Wesson. I have a 500. It's not that bad to shoot it as long as you have something like a 300 grain or a 275, something like that. But I've shot some 500 grain stuff before that was not fun to shoot, especially in a small one like this. Check this one out. Again, this is the 460 XVR Performance Center from Smith & Wesson. If you're looking online, it is going to be number 170350, or you can check it out on our website at topguns.us. See you guys.